half of the class loses the first mark on control question before they even start because they write the wrong thing. A control weakness or deficiency is not what is happening. It is what is missing. Let us learn. Majority students copy this from the scenario and paste it like goods received are checked against the delivery note. This is not deficiency. This is the control of company which is being implemented. So it is not telling what is deficiency. Hence 0 mark. A deficiency is a control that is missing or too weak to work. So on every point, always ask one question. And what that question is? What is not being done over here? That's where your control deficiency is. Ask what is missing and it jumps out. Here goods are being checked against delivery note only. And they are not being checked for quality and not against the purchase order for quantity. So hence, what is the deficiency? Goods are not checked for quality or matched to the purchase order. So what is not being done? That's the deficiency. So goods are not being checked for quality or matched to the purchase order. That's the deficiency. This is a half mark. Now the next is implication. What may go wrong because of it? So substandard goods, quality, or incorrect goods may be accepted and paid for. So impact, implication, overstating purchases and inventory. So sufficiently detailed as well. So what is missing? Half mark. Why it hurts? This is how it will impact. Half mark. Screenshot it. The full framework is spot, justify, fix, and prove. You have learned the first two. Deficiency and implication, spot and justify. This is 1 mark. And the next is fix, which is recommendation for deficiency, and prove, that is the test of control coming next. These 2 videos. Follow for more.